What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I'm also a mother, so I apologize if you hear or see my children messing stuff up in advance. I do have 3 boys, and they're all very close in age, so yeah. I'm so super excited about today's look because I actually just got done watching this look on Mitchell. The owner went live on his page, Made by Mitchell, and he did this look live, and he basically challenged us to recreate this, add a little spice to it, make it our own, but also, to try our bestest to recreate what he did. So this is what I have here. It's pretty much identical to what he did. I just, added my own little spice, some, gold glitter, and also I wanted to do more rainbow. So I have, blue, green, yellow, red, and purple on the top, which I think looks really, really cute. But I did also go with his highlight choice and kind of like his same lip combo that he picked out. So I really hope that I did him proud. But if you guys are curious to see how I created this beautiful look, then you already know what to do. Please just keep on watching.
Okay, starting off as always by priming my eyelids with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Number 2, of course, and I'm just going to pat this in all over my lid. Then I'm going to be going in with my Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. I'm just going to take one of the light shades at the top, and I'm just going to use this to add a little bit of color into my crease before I do my line work. Now I'm just going to take a slightly darker color just to deepen it up a little bit further. I really want a nice definition there. And then I'm going to be jumping into my Made by Mitchell palette, Head in the Clouds palette, of course. And then I'm going to go in with the pink shimmer shade just as a light brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Inglot Gel Liner, number 77. And I'm going to be using this for all of my line work. I'm going to start out like I'm doing a wing, but then I'm going to go ahead and just connect it to the front of my eye. And it doesn't really matter what happens under the liner because we're going to clean that up with our blank canvas base. Going back in with my Made by Mitchell palette, I'm going to take the shade UFO and some of my blank canvas. I'm just going to put that into my inner corner, which I drifted out of frame, so I just cut it out. But I'm taking my blank canvas and just cutting out the crease, making it nice and sharp before I put down my shimmer colors. So first I'm going to go in with this blue, then I'm going to be going in with the yellow, just to kind of start my rainbow blend that I have on the eyes. So I'm going to pat in the blue, then I'm going to pat in the yellow, and then I'm going to be going in with a few other palettes because I needed a lot of different colored shimmers, and one palette didn't have all of the shimmers that I needed. So yeah. So now with my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2, I'm just going to take the red and I'm going to pack that down just to kind of complete this rainbow blend we've got going on here. And then I'm going to be going back in with my Made by Mitchell palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of the color Midnight, and I'm going to use this to blend my eyeliner into my shimmers. And I know I'm a little bit out of frame. That was my bad. I'm going to be going in with my Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm going to take this beautiful green shimmer, and I'm going to use this to complete my rainbow.
So now that my eyes are done, just need to add lashes. I don't know if I'm going to do lower lashes yet, but we'll see. I guess you'll have already seen. But yeah, so here are the eyes, very rainbow-esque. I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and then we can come back and see the finished look. So here is the completed look. I did add quite a bit extra actually, so let me talk through that really quickly. So first things first, under my eyes, I added some gold glitter, and that is actually the Hank & Henry. This is their highlighter in Cleopatra. It's this is actually their Luster Dew highlighter. So this is obviously very, very, very gold. I probably could use it as a highlight, but I just went in with some lash glue and just put the lash glue right where I wanted that glitter to stick and pop. So there's that. My lash of choice, these beautiful lashes. These are the Cavalli lashes in the style Kush. I feel like they complement the look very well because they're very flared out. They're very pretty, but they're thin enough to where you could still see all the hard work that I put into my makeup. And then finally, my lippy combo. Okay, I have the LA Girl lip liner in Spice. And then I added the Hank & Henry matte liquid lipstick in Tikiro, which looks like this. It's like a coral color. My favorite. And then I topped it off with my iconic London lip gloss. And this one is in Love Struck. So that is my lip combo. My eyes all finished up. And then look how cute my earrings. If you look up really close in my earrings, I actually have colored glitter that match this makeup perfectly. Kismet. So yeah, so that's everything. I actually stepped out of my comfort zone with this one. I don't really do looks like these. I'm literally living right now. So thank you so much to Made by Mitchell for challenging me to step out of my comfort zone. Yeah. Thank you for challenging me to step out of my comfort zone because this is a whole new chick right here. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.